Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Online Marketing with Nancy Girain. Today I'm doing another review video. The product is Send and Profit. So this product is an email marketing mastery course. So before I start anything, I will tell you importance of email marketing. So email marketing is lucrative in today's market. Why it is? Because first of all, it's very cheap as compared to other advertising methods we use, whether it's Facebook ads or paid ads, or even if you're making YouTube videos, we are investing on most of the applications, and then only we are able to make it work out for us. So email marketing is not like that, and mostly when we do ads, when we are using another forms of methods, we are actually targeting cold traffic. It's not like that with email marketing, because people willingly opt in to be your targeting list when you will be sending their email value emails, informative emails. They will actually go inside and form some kind of relationship with you. They will be eager to hear back from you. So that's why it's very safe and it's very responsive in terms of online marketing, and it is very easy to build a relationship with the audience through this kind of marketing. It's of course less time consuming, as you will be cutting down lots of content. You don't have to show your face on camera, you don't have to record many videos to make email marketing bring into action, and it is very easy to make profits by sending offers to the targeted audience. So how all these points connect together, and how you will be creating these value emails, what kind of audience you will be targeting, how you can make most of the email marketing. Shan Din, this is his product. He will be explaining each and everything perfectly in this course. So let's go inside and see how it works for you. So this is the sales page of how to build an ethical online business using. So this is the sales page of Send and Profit, how to build an ethical online business using nothing but simple email system, without ever creating product, without running ads, or even doing customer service. Opportunities all around you. Send and Profit simple email business model, perfect for beginners, works for any type of business. So it's just not for affiliate marketing, any niche you're targeting right now. It works the same for any type of business. Step-by-step video instructions, set and forget business model, $1 million support, which you will be getting in a bonus package. So Shan is actually the member of Ministry of Freedom. He's one of my colleague. He is doing on email marketing since quite a long time. I have seen his success. I have seen his growth in terms of online marketing. So there are old ways which we used to do few years ago, but of course with lots of competition in online marketing nowadays, we have to be creative and look out for not so time consuming ways. So Shan has come up with this brilliant course in email marketing. He has put all these ways he's teaching into action, and then only he has come up with this idea for you guys, so that you can take the best of what he has been doing. So that's all what email marketing course is all about by him. So it's a 3-step course, built a list smart way, become autoresponder champion, rinse and repeat for automated commission and sales. We might be using autoresponder for an example, GetResponse, but I'm sure many of you might not know that how to make it work out for you effectively. There are many features in it. We might not have time to go through each and everything, how it will. That's why we are missing out that how great it can be in terms of email marketing or doing online marketing, because it has so many features and it can help you in so many ways and save lots of your time. So everything has been explained in this course. So let's dig into the members area, of course, and of course my amazing bonuses to complete this whole package for you. I have brought the access to some of the products which are launched earlier for free, of course, if you will be buying this. If you will be buying this product through my link, which is in the description below. So let's get further. So alright, this is the members area of Send and Profit. So you get a welcome video by Shandin. Then module 1, you will be learning what is email marketing mastery is all about, and it's a beginner friendly. So everything basically will be starting from scratch. So you need not have to worry about that if you have not taken any steps yet. You can still go with this course and start getting up to the pace with online email marketing. Then of course he will be telling you importance of email marketing with some of the points which I discussed earlier when I started the video. Autoresponder, that is the vital part of bringing email marketing into action. Of course you will be not sending emails to hundreds of your email list individually. It is all automatic nowadays. You will be just typing the content and it will be automatically going to your list depending on how many leads you have collected. So Aweber crash course part 1, so this and this part 2, it's Shandin explains that it's quite very important for you to go through this course. He wants you to go through each and every video systematically and bring them into action step by step. So this is the main part of this course, Aweber crash course part 1 and part 2. Then of course you will be learning how to create your thank you page and your opt-in page, landing page. Each and everything has been explained here. What contents you will be covering, or what this emails, automatic emails which will be sent to your customers, what content you have to write in those emails which will attract your leads. Everything is being mentioned in this course. Email automation, then MailChimp crash course part 1 and design professional sign-up forms. MailChimp email automation, test the automation, perfect subject line per formula, how to write a perfect email. Extra bonus, get $67 page builder in just $5. So you're getting this inside this members area. Bonuses you will be getting inside members area are irresistible offer video guide, how to find high converting offers that convert. Bonus number 2 is step-by-step checklist. Bonus number 3 is click here to join my exclusive Facebook community. Bonus number 4 is VIP special bonus. In this course, you are not getting whatever is being covered right now over here. Every month, Shan will be adding a new tutorial to this course, which is a bonus point for you. So it's not ending right. It's not ending over here with these tutorials, with these videos. You will be getting many more as the months pass by. So be ready to bring everything into action and make the most out of email marketing with this course, Send and Profit. So when I talk about landing page and thank you page, of course on landing page you will be getting to add some freebies to the leads you have collected. So that's how you will build relationship with them. So how it will be done, everything has been explained. So once they click reach out to that freebie, they have to fill their email address, and then that page will take them to the thank you page where they will be getting access to the freebie which you have given them. That's how you will be collecting leads. So don't worry if you don't have any email list at the moment. He will be showing you how to collect leads as well. So that's why it's beginner friendly. Each and everything has been explained as I told you earlier. So with autoresponder you can actually contact them, send your affiliate offers if you are in affiliate marketing. When they if of course they are in your list, that's what they are interested in, that kind of marketing, then only they are in your list. I said you will not be targeting any cold audience. This audience is actually interested in what you are giving them, offering them. So the freebies we send them, because we have to build a good relationship with them. There are always a trust issue. You have to earn their trust by giving them some freebies. Freebies we always give before we get back anything, so remember that in your mind. So that's all, everything has been covered in this course. So this is all about members area. Let's get into my bonus page and see what wonderful bonuses you will be getting as free of cost if you will buy this product via my link, which is in the description below. So let's get inside. Of course, the front end of Send and Profit is $7.95. OTO1, which is email automation, it's $27. So in front end, you will be getting access to powerful Send and Profit software and training modules, whatever I showed you in the members area. Upsell one is email automation. Here's how to get the best possible results, 10 into your results with my ultimate email automation. Complete email automation, video training, plug and play, value and promotion email templates, proven product giveaway rights to build your list fast. Of course, you're getting freebies to give away. The new training added every month. So the new training which will be added every month is in Upsell 1, not in front end. The other one is Upsell 2, Traffic Mastery. $47, the easiest way to rapidly boost your income. First, get up to 15 to high profits with these traffic hacks. Send and Profit in the Mercedes-Benz of lead and customers on demand. And just like you'd put only premium gas in a Mercedes-Benz, you need to fuel your Send and Profit cash machine with the best traffic to get the best results. So that's Traffic Mastery. Upsell 3, Success Mastery, 1 month of premium coaching, $297. Then Upsell 4 is multiple license rights. So apart from this product, you are getting access to other products. You're getting license rights to those products. With dual rights, you are essentially getting your own turnkey digital business to make product vendor profits without creating a thing. Then my bonus page, you will get access to this page once you click the link in the description below. My bonuses are, you are getting access to Eclipse. So this is a further training course on getting traffic in general. So it's actually the traffic. You will learn how the gurus, how the big affiliate marketers, online marketers from where they get their traffic from. You will be learning all those skills and tactics so that you can feed into your Send and Profit system and may convert into leads and send them your offers. So this is that. The other one is 2 HQ traffic sources to use. So it's high quality traffic sources for you. Then 10K email manifesto case study, further training on email marketing. You're getting access to Boomerang Buddy Pro. So this is software. It's a strategy based system that allows you to get a lot of traffic very fast to an affiliate offer. It's worked by finding Instagram influencers as a lot of followers, allowing them to promote the product for you to their followers. So it works with Instagram so that as you know, Instagram influencers have followers in millions, so it will work out in a very profitable way for you. Then you're getting access to one of the Jonah Armstrong product, which is the Secret Weapon. So this is again software by Brendan, Jonah and Eric. In this course, you will create email lists for traffic. They will show you how to do from scratch. Of course, thank you page, opt-in page to retarget. It's all copy and paste method. Then how to build a buyers list. So all these bonuses from my side to you, vendor bonuses in the members area. So this is Send and Profit review from Nancy Grain. Hopefully you will find this review helpful. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you for your time.